So I started my AI agency with the goal to make $1 million in 1 year as a complete beginner. And I just started now 2 weeks ago selling AI chatbots, but realized I'm probably not going to make $1 million in 1 year just selling AI chatbots. I need to level up my game to think bigger. And the end game for me is to do micro SaaS, software as a service. And I've been thinking a lot, how can I make $1 million using SaaS? And I figured out a new business model that I want to try out, and I call it the SaaS Influencer Business Strategy. And the idea is to build no-code web applications and software easily on platforms like these ones. So you have all these AI coders that builds AI tools for you without knowing coding, like Cursor, like Bolt.new. You just enter a prompt, or the new released Lovable.dev. You just prompt what you wanted to build and it built it for you. So what most people are doing, they're building the simple one-off apps, right? And the big thing is everybody now can build these apps. But the question is, how do you create sales? How do you get traffic? How do you market, right? It's not just about building an app, especially when everybody can do it. So how do you actually make money and sell this app and get people in to this app? So this is my new strategy, the SaaS influencer strategy, and I'm gonna try to partner up with influencers with at least 10,000 followers. And the good thing when you partner up with them is that you get all their knowledge. So you need to give the AI a knowledge base, right? With a lot of knowledge, and you also get their expertise. So you can try out whatever it is you're building and you have an expert in your corner. And they market for you, right? You don't need them to market. You partner up with people that have the audience and they do the marketing, and then you do a revenue share model. So both of you win. They get an AI tool and you get the expert and their audience, right? And the cool thing here is that you then can templatize this SaaS. So instead of just having a one-off SaaS for one person, you take the template that you build to that partner and that influencer, and then you can rebrand it and sell it to many influencers in the same niche. So for example, if you work with a fitness coach and you build a SaaS for them, then you just take the template, the foundation of what you build, and then you just sell it to other fitness influencers and just rebrand it over and over again. So you build an app one time, but then you partner up and almost white labeling it for many different coaches or influencers. So I really like this strategy. I'm going to try this out now this coming month. It's going to be interesting to see if this influencer SaaS strategy I came up with now going to work out. I just think it's really interesting because instead of then building one time, you can resell this template to many influencers and you get a huge traffic and audience through all these partnerships. So I'm going to try this out and update you on how it goes.